Hello everyone, I am Dr. Venkatesh Methan, orthopedic surgeon by profession and a passion photographer, and it's my great pleasure that our V Methan Creation Private Limited has exhibited 4 days exhibition at this popular Karnataka Chitrakala Parishad for consecutive 4 days. The theme for this photography exhibition is Connect with Nature. This is a COVID era, so everybody has come to know that importance of the nature, health, and whatever money we are earning for what. So, considering this fact, we are taking this theme that is connect to nature. If you go through these all images, I am very much proud to say that nearly 30% of the birds in India are seen in Karnataka. They are all monuments I displayed here: Pattatkal, Badami, or even Hampi, which is an excellent place for photography. I have displayed all the images here, specifically birds, animals, then monuments, historical monuments, as well as landscapes here. And the purpose of this exhibition is to create awareness about our Indian heritage, connect with wildlife, connect with nature, for specifically for the school children as well as the young generation. And the one more purpose here is we should carry our 5,000 year civilization history of India to the next generation. So I humbly appeal you all that please visit this gallery at Chitrakala Parishad for coming 4 days from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. I am sure whenever, the moment you see any picture, you will get connect with the picture as well as connect with the nature. And my theme for life is, that is, enjoy life in present tense and give your more time for yourself. And lastly, I can quote 2 lines. What I learned from the nature photography as well as a birding, I learned 2 things. We require very less to live. ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಜೀವನ ಕಳೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಏರಾನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 24 ಇಯರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್, lot of patience. You require a lot of patience. In this gallery, there is one image I took in 3 minutes, and one image it takes me 21 years to take that composition. That's why again I take this opportunity through this media and welcome you all for this gallery. Thank you very much.
Sir, name?
I am Dr. Venkatesh Methan, an orthopedic surgeon from Sholapur, Maharashtra, but I am born at Raichur. ನನ್ನ ಮದರ್ ಟಂಗ್ ಕನ್ನಡನೇ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವಿಸಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಟ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಜೈನ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್. ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ 2nd ಮತ್ತು 4th ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಸಂಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಥೋಪೆಡಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಜನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.